Very good. Cornelia has a very good question. Much love, Lizelle. Then Cornelia has a very good question. She says, Anantaji, who is the witness? How to witness without involving? It is so difficult in family matters. Very good. Hmm. So, once you explore this, so that's why we say in the first stage, it is good to see, just good to be the witness. In the first stage, I say good to be the witness. So watch everything from a distance. No? And then you will ask, who is this witness? Or I will ask, who is this witness? And you see that there is no witness entity at all. All that is here is the witnessing itself. You were never an entity. You were never a thing. You were not even a witness. You are the pure witnessing itself. But initially, I use the term witness because this becomes too strong medicine right in the first visit to the doctor. So initially, I say be the witness. But after there's some distance between you and the appearance, then it can be asked who is the witness? And the answer is that there is no entity called the witness. All there is a sense of witnessing itself. Awareness is not a thing, it is not an entity, it is only the witnessing. And once you see this, then the second part of your question is automatically answered. You wait for the jet plane to fly past. How to witness without involving? It's so difficult in family matters, no. Actually, you cannot stop witnessing. Cannot stop witnessing. If I were to say stop witnessing now, would you be able to do it? No. The witnessing is ever present. What is true is ever present. In the waking state, you cannot stop being. That means the presence of consciousness or God is here always. And in all states, there is pure witnessing. In deep sleep, there is no object to be witnessed, yet the potential to witness is there. The witnessing is still present. So you cannot turn it off actually. What you're trying to switch on, you can actually never switch off. What you're trying to become, you can actually never not be that. You can never not be the witnessing. You are always that alone. You can never become the person. Can you become a person and show me, any of you? Then Cornelia says, something is so scared now for putting this question. Yes. This one can be let go of now. Let it be released. This is not you. This is also being witnessed. The one that is scared is also being witnessed. It is not you. Atma says, thank you from feeling of crying, changing into feeling of smiling. Yes. Yes. This can happen like this. Crying, smiling, all together, all emotions coming up, getting released is very much possible.